UBC is becoming a huge and growing hub for biotechnology. This is a wonderful opportunity for students to be trained in these areas to learn from a very interdisciplinary environment, learning from clinicians, scientists, engineers, but also from industry members.
We get a lot of students that are very passionate about working to solve problems related to human health. They're very caring students. They're really ambitious and creative. They're working in such a cool new area. They're seeing that there's possibility of being the driver of that and sort of starting new companies in this area.
I would say from the beginning, it was like a space of collaboration and innovative ideas. People from different backgrounds and different fields can help bringing new projects to life.
During my master's, I specifically chose a program for the Engineers and Scrubs program, which I loved and was a huge driving force for me to choose this program. Every year I'm seeing a fresh set of minds. It reminds me of how I was when I joined the program, really fearless and just like thinking as broad as you can.
Innovation is at the core of what we do, and part of that starts with building this entrepreneurial mindset with our students and our faculty. We have a few different mechanisms to try and support that mindset. One of them is SBME Propels, which is our extracurricular program where we teach skills around commercialization, IP strategies, market fit, and then we have SBME Innovates, which is our wet lab incubator, where we actually provide equipment, wet lab space, and mentorship for ventures that spin out of UBC research. And then lastly, we have our Innovation Micro-Certificate, which focuses on two parts, IP strategy and management, and then identifying unmet need. So we hope that we're building this culture of innovation and entrepreneurship.
The Synergy Undergraduate Research Program is for undergraduates who are wanting to get lab experience over the summer. It's a really great opportunity for them to meet other researchers, faculty, students, kind of build up their network and gain some professional development skills.
One thing that I love about the research that I do here with the school is that I actually get to work directly with the people that are going to be impacted by my research. The opportunities really are endless in terms of what kind of research you want to do. There's a person who's doing anything that you're interested in, and they're always open to more collaborations, more interdisciplinary work. So yeah, if you think you have an innovative idea, this is the place to do it.
We've also had the opportunity to work more closely with the Sauder School of Business, for example, and having cross-disciplinary collaborations. So students in biomedical engineering are working with commerce students, a bit like engineers and consultants would in the real world.
We have a really strong foundation of biology that's in the program and anatomy and physiology. So if students really care about learning a lot about that and learning about engineering, kind of combining the two, then it's a really good fit for students.
The biggest thing that I appreciate about UBC as well as the School of Biomedical Engineering is that they just enable students to do what they want to do. I think if you're starting from somewhere and you just want to build something, they will give you the resources necessary to go ahead and just do that, which I think is pretty unique. The UBC's motto being, it's yours, if you just take it very literally, you'll see how true that very much is.